Hi everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. So in this video, I'll be talking about why it is important to escape the population. Very important for your mental health, overall health. Now, for those of you who watch my channel for years now, you will know I do this a lot. Some examples. I go to abandoned places. I go to cemeteries. I go fishing. I go hiking. You know, these are all great examples of escaping the population. Because I'm sure all of you know the city, the system, will drive you utterly insane. And escaping the population, getting close to nature, is very good for your physical, mental, and spiritual health. Getting close to nature is one of the most beautiful things you can do on this planet, in this physical world. And it should be done quite frequently. It really should. I try to do it weekly, as much as I can. You know, even if it's just going for a jog around your neighborhood, not the gym, a jog around your neighborhood is also a good example. Human beings are not like ants and honeybees. We do not have a queen in this system like this system we live in. We are not like ants and bees. I believe the word is called gregarious, if I'm saying that right. We are like wolves, elephants. You know, we have herds. Humans are social, but we're not. We're meant to also be alone at times, you know, develop an internal balance with nature. You know, you need to find your way within yourself. It's a very spiritual thing that happens naturally. That's the best way I could say it, naturally. And yeah, getting close to nature should be done as much as possible. Yeah, it's important to be social too. You know, like I say in many of my videos, you have to have balance. It's good to be social, to communicate with other beings. But people also forget that it's also good to be in complete solitude, to be alone. Being alone is very healthy, guys. Don't kid yourself. It's both healthy to be social and alone. Find your balance. You guys know what I'm talking about. And yeah, for people who live in the city, such as me, such as the majority of the population, know that it will drive you utterly insane at times, and the dark entities will arise and come upon you, and negativity will hit you. So my advice to you is to get close to nature. Find the unity in it. Get that positivity. Find that balance. Go where all you hear is crickets, insects, animals, the birds. Absolutely just nature in general. Just everything but human beings. And you will find that everything is connected. I find this a lot when I go to cemeteries. Like, I find this deep understanding that we're only here for some time. And when that time's coming, you know, is that Mercedes really going to matter? Is that huge mansion really going to matter? Is that you know, all this egotistical stuff, is that really going to matter? No. What's going to matter is how you treat other beings, your compassion, how you inspired others in compassion and being humble. You know, how you treat others, how you respect them, how the gifts, the little gifts you give them, such as just giving them your time of day, going on little walks, you know, fishing, and little things like that are beautiful, that will always be cherished in the mind. And yeah, you guys all know this. I'm just reminding you, I guess. So be positive, even if the negatives arise, because it will always arise at times and feel like it would always make you feel that life sucks and just bring darkness upon you. And best way to do it, escape, get close to nature. Nature is your best friend, guys. Nature is beautiful, but be careful. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. Leave a comment, hit that bell, subscribe. I'm getting sick of the forest fires. Not gonna lie, the fires. I've been wanting to do a lot of hiking and such, but these fires here in Colorado, or I guess from California, the smoke is coming from here, are making it a little hectic. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you.